Okay, here we're going to divide a fraction by a fraction. There's actually fewer steps in this type of problem than there was when we had a whole number. Because if I have something like 2/3 divided by 4/7, okay, our first step in dividing whole numbers and fractions was to write them both as fractions. These are already both written as fractions. So the only thing we have to do is multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so I keep the 2/3 the same because that's my dividend. 4/7 is my divisor. Okay, the divisor is the number that we are dividing by. If your problem is written like this, as a division sentence with a division symbol like this one, your divisor always comes second. Okay, you might at some point see this problem written like this, a fraction within a fraction. The number on the bottom of your fraction or of your division sentence in this case is your divisor. So the one on the bottom, divisor. Okay? So we kept the 2/3 the same. We're changing from division to multiplication, and we are taking the reciprocal of the divisor. So the reciprocal means we have to flip that fraction over, and we get 2/3 times 7/4. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 4 is 12. 14 and 12 can be simplified. They can both be divided by 2. We'll get 7/6. And that is a fraction greater than 1 because 7 is greater than 6. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can change this into a mixed number. 6 goes into 7 once, and 1/6 is left over. Okay, so we just gave 3 possible answers. They are all equivalent, meaning they all have the same value, but it's 3 different ways to write the same answer. Okay, if your problem asks you to put it in simplest form, these are 2 simplest forms. This one here is our mixed number. This is a fraction greater than 1. You should be able to convert between these 2 forms, and if you aren't very good at that yet, that's something that you should practice.